Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today is our monthly Painters Flower collection. In the last few tutorials, we have been referencing lots of well-known artists. But starting from this week, we will also look at some current artists. It is our honor referencing a UK Printmaker, Jane Walker, for this week's Painters Flower collection. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly tutorials. If you like what we're doing, you can also join our not-so-secretive community on Patreon for an extended tutorial, link in description. First of all, color a strip of stretch 180g paper in a lemon yellow. I've mixed the yellow and red to get this tone. Let it dry. Stretch another piece of 180g paper. This time we're mixing the red and purple colors into a reddish purple. Give the paper a little stretch from time to time so the paint can reach into the creases. Set it aside to let it dry. Cut it in 90g crepe paper according to the height of the petals. Trim the paper in a not too long size. Give the paper a little stretch. Double the paper with some PVA glue. Spread the glue to half of the paper and fold over. Press the creases down. Don't forget to make enough paper for 5 petals and let it dry. Now all of our paper are dried. Cut in 90g double paper according to a template. We will need 5 petals per flower. Cut the yellow paper according to the top petal template. We will need 2 pieces for each petal. One side has to be in full petal. The other side can be in a 2/3 petal, because we are going to add another layer of decoration on top. Next, cut the decoration out of the pinky purple paper. We will need 1 piece per petal. Then we can put the petal together. If you also have some loose spots on the 90g petal, add some PVA to the gaps. Add a layer of PVA at the back of the yellow petal and place it on top of the 90g petal. You should have some gaps on the top. Do the same to the other side. Add some PVA to the decoration layer and place on top of the 2/3 yellow layer. The layer should be able to hide the missing area of the yellow petal. Let them dry and do the same to all 5 petals. When we put them together, some layers might coming off the edge. Once they are dry, we can give the edges a trim, so the petal looks very tidy. For the flower center, we are going for our simplest fringes. Trim 2 pieces of 3 x 7 cm yellow and grey crepe paper into small fringes. Trim the paper strip into half. Add some UHU glue to one of the yellow and grey layer. Place the layers alternatively, so when we roll them together, we can see 2 colors at the same time. Take out 3 pieces of 22 gauge wires and tape them together. And wrap the stem with a light grey paper. Bend a loop on the top and roll the fringes on top of the wire to have the flower center. Now shaping. Curl the petals and bend at the bottom for attachment. Expand in the middle to have a more 3D shape. Attach your petals with some hot glue. Place them evenly and reach the bottom of the fringes. Get another piece of grey paper strip to wrap around the bottom of the flower. Our first flower is done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our DIY kits and templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next week.